Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Optima X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and driver memory seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.